What you want to do now is breathe in hard and fast, and then tighten your lips to increase the pitch of the sound. It should start off sounding like, but with enough practice, it'll sound like. And the last step to all of this is practice. Practice, practice, practice. And that's it. Anyways, that's the end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed it or if you learned anything today, go give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what other sounds you want to learn and more tutorials coming soon. Finally, I hope you all have a great day. Go kill it out there. Be your best self. I'll catch you soon.